Good morning, students. Today we discuss here next part of the cryptogamy plant, which is pteridophyte plant. Okay. Before this topic, we already explained to you characteristics of the bryophytes and algae and economic importance also. So now today we discuss here the pteridophyte plant. Pteridophyte plants' special feature is these plants are called the first land plant. Very important question is here. Pteridophyte plants are the first land plant, and these are the herbaceous plant. No wood is present in this type of plant, and up to algae and bryophytes also no any wood present, and this plant also no any wood is present. Means these plants are also herbaceous plant or first land plant. Okay. These are also first plant which have sporophytic phase. Sporophytic phase means diploid cells. It's before we study here bryophytes plant. In bryophyte plant, mostly gametophytic plant. Bryophytes are the mostly gametophytic plant. Now these plants are the first plant which have sporophytic phase. Okay, sporophytic phase means plant body has diploid cell. Okay, now we discuss here important characteristics of the this plant. Up to we discuss those plant. In that type of plant, no plant body is differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Okay, but these plants are the first plant, and these plants are well differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Okay, so main plant body is sporophytic, means main plant body is a sporophytic means diploid. Okay, vascular tissue up to bryophytes or algae have no vascular tissues are present, but in this plant vascular tissues are present, means xylem and phloems are present. But we know that xylem is made up of 4 types of cells and phloem is also made up of 4 types of cells. Xylem consists xylem vessel, xylem trachea, parenchyma and xylem fibers. Same as it is phloem. Phloem is composed up of companion cells, CO tubes and phloem parenchyma, phloem fibers. So vascular tissue is present, but here vessels, xylem vessels or in phloem, companion cells are absent. Vascular tissue are present, but some cells of the xylem and phloem, some no, only one cell of the xylem and phloem is absent in this phase. Okay. Next point is the stem is aerial, erect or underground. Stem aerial means in air, above the land. Erect means straight, and underground may be stem of this plant may be underground. Okay, seeds and flowers are not formed here because this is a cryptogamy plant and cryptogamy plants have no flowers. Okay, spores are formed in the sporangia. Sporangia, this type of structure. Sporangia, this type of structure, this is called the sporangia. Many spores are formed in this sporangia. Okay, so spores are formed in the sporangia. One most important question is here, prothallus. Prothallus, prothallus is the most important question. Prothallus is called the gametophyte. Prothallus is called the gametophyte. It is formed, it is produced, we can say it is produced from the spores. It is produced from the spore. When spores are germinate, then first structure is developed into prothallus. Okay, then male and female, male reproductive organ is called the antheridia and female reproductive organ is called the archegonia, which produced on the gametophyte. These structure in antheridia or archegonia are produced on the prothallus structure. Okay, antheridia produce male gamete is called the anthrozoites and archegonia produce female gamete is called the axil. We know that antheridia antheridia. Antheridia is a plural word and antheridium is a singular word. Okay, so antheridia is a jacket like structure, sorry, tennis jacket like tennis racket like structure, and archigonia is a which shape of structure? Ye this structure is a we can say this like structure. This like structure is a archigonia. Okay, now male gamete are motile and flagellate. Male gamete are here motile. Motile means they move from one place to another place because flagella are present. And most one important is here, water is also necessary for the fertilization in this type of plant. Okay, next is in this plant occur mean we discuss here, in this plant occur alternation of generation, means life cycles after first is a sporophytic plant. Sporophytic plant they sporophytic plant when they produce spores, and spores are the gametophytic stage, then then spores are again germinate, then form sporophytic plant. So in this life cycle we observe here alternation of generation, means after sporophytic come gametophytic, gametophytic come sporophytic. Next topic we explain it again. Okay.